this time out, we are hopeful, praying that they will be realized. Let's go back to golf, because we've been here following up what has been happening at this particular time. I know, yeah, some golfers are on the other side, and they are teeing off. Remember, this is a hole number 13. So for hole number 13, it is hole in one. So if you hit that ball from that point where that guy will be teeing off any moment from now, then if it goes straight to the hole, that is what we call hole in one, and there is a car that is up for grabs. You will be able to be gifted. So the golfing action still on the cards, still on the menu, and it has not been the best kind of an outing for the Kenyan golfers. And when you think about the Kenyan golfers, plenty of conversation and also plenty of excitement in what exactly they can be able to achieve. Now let me engage with some gentlemen here. I see they are following and hoping to enjoy some golfing action. Yes. Pengine niambie, unaitwa nani, uko vipi na games imekuwa vipi?
Game imekuwa poa. Naitwa Anthony Nganga, and I'm the vice chair Naivasha Sports Club. Nimekuja kujionea, and we are appreciating. Actually, you can see a lot of good activity from and support from the government. I've noted even I'm standing behind the Ministry of Youth and Affairs, Creative and Economy. And I've had to hear what they're doing, and I've seen what they're doing in terms of supporting sports across board, not only golf. And in a big way, if you see what they have set up here, you can tell there is goodwill from the government towards the sporting areas, and also under the Talanta Hela program and initiative. I think this is a good program under the better agenda of the government, and actually we appreciate it. Even other sports, you can attest to it that the CS, I think, is very pertinent with games and sports, and also being that they can be a talent, and it's a talent that can be used by Kenyans to develop themselves. It's actually like a job creation. These guys who are playing here, you can note, they don't do any other thing. They just play golf. And if, for instance, this can be actually promoted, we can have Kenyans enjoying the game and also earning from it. So I think the government is doing a lot in sports. And I've noted here as a golfer that the support here is quite big. And we appreciate and we congratulate his Honorable Babu. I think he's doing good.
I don't know if you will agree. I don't know if you're also from Naivasha or you're from somewhere different, but your general assessment and what's your name, and are you a player?
Yes. My name is Jimmy Ngatia. I play at Nakuru Golf. And come here to see the pros, how they do it. And I just want to echo what my friend here said. It's very encouraging to see what the government is doing, and just see the young people. You've had the people who are representing Kenya, very young people, those two brothers, young people in this sport, and it gives a very big encouragement to the sport of golf. And just to echo what I'm saying, what my friend is saying here, that serikali imetusaidia sana, and mikakati imewekwa mbele, and a lot has been done to generate and to promote this game. So nashukuru sana.
I know the heavens are about to open, so it will rain. Let me save the camera and nijaribu kujisitiri hapa. So because of the rain. So I know we are talking of golf and what is happening in the Republic. And when you think about what is happening in the Republic, it's a lot, because building sports, I know, is always critical and very, very vital for that matter. And when you think about that, then you will agree that there is a host of things that have to happen and a host of things that should happen just to make sure that we build sport. I will ambush some people here because I've seen a number of them. I've been able to identify one. He's an engineer friend I've been able to see. All smile. He also plays golf. How are you? Poleni, sijui kama mko kwenye kikao ama ni meeting ama ni nini, but nikuibe kidogo. In your own take, I know you've been following golf. And there is a lot that is happening in the Magical Kenya Open 2024 edition. So sad we don't have a Kenyan playing in the final 2 days. And you will begin with your name.
Oh, thank you. My name is Engineer Dominic Muthaiga. We appreciate the effort of the government in supporting golf in Kenya. What was you mentioned, the Kenyans have played well. challenging. The competition is very tough, but we appreciate the effort of the government with the bottom-up transformation, with the efforts they have done in sports management. We thank our cabinet secretary, Mr. Bwana Ababu, with the effort they have put in the sports in Kenya, from all fields of sports in the country, golf in particular. We appreciate what is happening today, the kind of international recognition that has been achieved in today's event, or this Magical Kenya event, and we appreciate the government in whatever they have done so far. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'll ambush someone else who never knew that I'm going to ambush, and that is Madam Pauline. I've been able to see her here all smiles, and ask her just something about rally, because I know we have a rally that is coming on the cards, and she's an ardent rally driver. But at the same time, she also enjoys it, and she's done it for a number of years. Pauline, najua nakuwaga tu on the spot. Tutarajie nini, because I know there is a lot that is happening. We are preparing for the WRC. Sure. And this year, again, I expect it to be a spicy affair.
It is spicy, starting last year with the support of government. First and foremost, thank you so much, the media, for supporting our sports, and also supporting our cabinet secretary, Honorable Ababu Namwamba. He has done so much for this ministry in terms of sports in all the disciplines, not only rally. As a rally driver, Talanta Hela rally team, we are ready. The support the government is giving us is massive, and we appreciate the support. We are ready to take off on the rally, and you all know that this year's rally is Eastern Rally. It's coming on 28th of March. So we are ready, we are prepared, the government is ready, the ministry is ready. And today here at golf, you know, as a sporting lady, I just want to understand how sports is done, especially on matters golf, and also in this our government ministry exhibition tent. You've seen how the government has supported the golf and also other sporting activities. For Safari Rally, after golf, that is next, our big thing. The minister has confirmed that we are ready. Eastern Rally, tupatane Naivasha for the sherehe. Tunachapa sherehe. Talanta Hela Rally ladies teams, we are ready and prepared. Our cars are being prepared. This time we are going to show men what we are meant for. Thank you so much.
Pauline Shegu there. She drives better than some of us, but all in all, it's for the spirit of the sports. You're here for golf, I will assume. Yes. Your name, and tell me, are you enjoying yourself, having a good time? But sadly, Kenyans, I think we need to do a little bit better.
Yeah, my name is Douglas Kanuri from Nakuru Golf Club. I am here to watch the Magical Kenya Open. I greatly appreciate what's happening. It's very, very, very good what the government is doing. Yes, sadly, we don't have Kenyans who made the cut today. It's quite sad, but I think with the initiative that is coming along of Talanta Hela, in a couple of years, we may have a couple of people coming in from different walks of life. Like I see, like in Kiambu, they've already started. That will help a lot for us to have more talented golfers, and to be able to come in, and we're able to have more golfers. Yeah.
Thank you very much, and we hope for the best. So at this particular time, we will take a short commercial break. But when we come back, I know we will have a little bit conversation about how important and the role corporates do in nurturing and making sports become a serious industry in this republic. I know for the Kenyan lovers of golf, this weekend, not the best, because Team Kenya, all of them, out of contention. But can we do better? Can we support them even more? Because staying for like 7 months without playing, and we want you to have a good outing, not the best. But that and much more after this short commercial break.